In this video, I am going to show you how to share live football on YouTube TV with others. If you're wondering whether you can share your subscription or stream games with family and friends, this guide will explain everything. Let's get started. YouTube TV allows you to share your subscription with others in your household. Each account supports up to 6 user profiles, so family members or roommates can have their own personalized settings, recommendations, and DVR libraries. To share, simply provide your login details or let others use the YouTube TV app on their devices. You can also stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it easy for multiple people to watch at the same time. However, sharing your account with people outside your household violates YouTube TV's terms of service. If this video helped you learn how to share live football on YouTube TV, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.